Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to work the dropped stitch in crochet. So let's get started. To work the dropped stitch in crochet at the end of the row, you'll chain one and turn the same as you normally would for crocheting. And I'm going to work a single crochet in that very first stitch. If you were working double crochet in a pattern, you would work a double crochet. So now I'm going to pull up a long loop like this and slide it onto my ruler. Go to the next stitch, pull the stitch through and finish my single crochet, and then pull up a long loop, slide it onto the ruler. Go to the next stitch, single crochet, and then pull up a long loop and slide it onto the ruler. I'll do one more, then I'll go and finish, and then I'll come back and show you how to work the next row. Okay, so go all the way across the row. Okay, so let's say I've worked all the way across the row. Now you can just slide these off, and don't worry, they're not going to come undone. To start the next row, hold on to this stitch, and you want this to come up as high as your stitch. And I'm going to make a single crochet. Now go to the next stitch and make a single crochet. Go to the next stitch, make a single crochet. And you'll work that way all the way across the row. And that's how easy it is to work the dropped stitch in crochet. And there's your row of dropped stitches. So then you just continue on with your pattern the way you normally would. And that's how easy it is to work the dropped stitch in crochet. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.